12th Science, Chapter 1, Solid State, Part 9, Numericals. Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notification. In this video, we will be discussing about the numericals based on dimensions of unit cell. Let us see the first type of numerical. Chromium crystallizes in BCC structure. If its atomic diameter is 245 picometers, find its density. You are given the atomic mass of chromium as 52U and Na is Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 mole inverse. Now let us first put down the given. You are given BCC structure. So for BCC structure, what is the number of atoms present per unit cell? Z. It is BCC structure. So 8 corners and each corner contributes 1/8 atom to the unit cell. So 8 into 1/8 is equal to 1. And 1 which is present in the body belongs to the unit cell. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 atoms. Then you are given the diameter. Diameter is equal to 245 picometers. Now you have to convert it into centimeter. Okay. 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 10. 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. So, therefore, 245 picometer is equal to 245 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. Now, for BCC structure, you know that edge length is related with radius. So first of all, how to find out radius? R is equal to diameter divided by 2 is equal to 245 divided by 2 comes to 122.5 picometers. Convert it into centimeter. 122.5 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter is your radius. Now for BCC, A is equal to 4 upon under root 3R. This is our expression. So, can you calculate the edge length? Therefore, A is equal to 4 upon under root 3. And what is the value of R? 122.5 into 10 to the power minus 10. Either you can simplify this or you can leave it as this and you can substitute directly into the formula. When I solve this, right? Under root 3 is nothing but 1.73. You can remember this value. So when you solve this, you are going to get this value as 282.91, right? Into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. Now you have to calculate density in this question. So put down the formula of density. Density is equal to number of atoms present per unit cell into molar mass upon volume of the unit cell A cube into Avogadro number Na. Now substitute the values. For BCC structure, Z is 4. So we will write density is equal to 4 into molar mass of chromium is 52 upon A cube. What is the edge length? 282.91 into 10 to the power minus 10 whole cube. Right? Sometimes we forget. We are just making the cube of this and we forget, ignore this number. So it is whole cube. Multiplied by Avogadro number is 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. You can solve this and you will be getting your answer as 7.63 gram per centimeter cube. Now let us move on to the next type of numerical. The density of KBr is 2.75 gram per centimeter cube. The edge length of unit cell is 654 picometers. Predict the type of cubic lattice to which KBr belongs. So basically you want to find out in what type of lattice structure this KBr is crystallizing, whether it is simple cubic, whether it is FCC, whether it is BCC, what is the type of the cubic lattice. Atomic masses of potassium and bromine is given to you. Put down given. Density is given to you 2.75 gram per centimeter cube. Edge length is given to you 654 picometers. When you convert picometer into centimeter, 654 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. Now we have to predict the type of cubic lattice. That means you have to find out what is the value of Z. Because if we know the value of Z, we can easily find out what is the type of cubic lattice. Now put down your formula. Density is equal to number of atoms per unit cell into molar mass upon volume into Avogadro number. Now you want to find out Z. So mold your formula. Therefore Z is equal to density into A cube into Avogadro number upon M. Substitute the values into this. So therefore Z is equal to, density is 2.75 into A cube. Your edge length is 654 into 10 to the power minus 10 whole cube. Because we have to take volume as cube into Avogadro number. 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 divided by M, molar mass of KBr. Potassium is 39 and bromine is 80. So 39 plus 80 will give you the molar mass of KBr. When you solve this, you are going to get your answer as 3.89. which is approximately equal to 4. Now try to remember, when do you get the value of Z as 4? When it is an FCC or you can say FCC structure. When it is an FCC structure, we get the value of Z as 4. 8 corners, 8 into 1 by 8 gives you 1 atom and 6 faces are occupied and each face is shared by 2 unit cells. So 6 into 1 by 2 gives you 3. So we can say KBr crystallizes in FCC structure. If you are getting here as approximately equal to 1, then it is simple cubic. Approximately equal to 2, then in that case you can say that it is BCC structure. Next question. Iron has BCC unit cell with cell dimension of 286.65 picometer. The density of iron is 7.87 gram per centimeter cube. Calculate Avogadro number. So put down given. It is BCC unit cell. So what is the value of Z, number of atoms per unit cell? 8 corners. Each corner contributes 1/8 atoms. So 8 into 1/8 is 1. And 1 in the body belongs completely to the unit cell. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Cell dimension is, edge length is 286.65 picometer. Convert it into centimeter. 2.286.65 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. Density is given to you 7.87 gram per centimeter cube. Put down the formula. Density is equal to Z into M upon A cube into Avogadro number. We need to calculate Na. Therefore, Na is equal to Z into M upon A cube into D. Now, substitute the values in this expression. So, on substituting values, Na is equal to, Z is 2 into molar mass. Iron is 56 U upon A cube 286.65 into 10 to the power minus 10 cube into density is 7.87. Solve this. When you solve this, you get the Avogadro number as, you will not get accurate value, 39 into 10 to the power 23 mole inverse.